Why do 70% of people struggle to save an emergency fund? Let's change that. First, set a clear goal. Determine how much you need to save for 8 months of expenses. Next, create a budget. Track your income and expenses. Cut non-essential costs. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund to stay consistent. Increase your income. Consider taking on extra work or selling unused items. Cut unnecessary expenses. Eliminate or reduce spending on non-essentials. Monitor your progress. Regularly check your savings to stay on track. And stay motivated. Keep your goal in mind and celebrate small victories. Start building your emergency fund today. Follow these steps to build your emergency fund quickly and confidently. For more financial tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.